Oh, she's so sweet. Karma is real. I'm up here on this big ass hill. Came here with one animal. My little chihuahua right there. Going back to the crib with two animals. This black cat right here. Come on. Hopefully they get along. Let's find out. I want to give this little cat some food and then figure out if somebody can give her a home. Come on, cat. Come on. She's so scared. She got abandoned by her parents. Like my dad left me. Come on. I want to give her some food because the universe feels your heart, dog. The universe knows what's inside of you. If you got good shit in your heart, you get good shit in your life. You got bad shit in your heart, you get bad shit in your life. Come on. You see the amount of patience that it takes, bro? We're like a mile away from the crib, dog. All right, half a mile, but still. If I want people to be patient with me, I gotta be patient. Every opportunity I get to do something that I want someone else to do for me, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Karma is real. Come on. I don't want to be abandoned. Why would I abandon this fucking cat? Now that I say that shit out loud, that shit hits me even more. Why would I abandon this black cat, bro? We're the same, bro. Look. We're both black cats. Come on. She tired, bro. It's all good, though. We're here to rescue her. So I'm gonna take her. I'll probably give her like a bath outside and feed her a little bit, and then post on Facebook and see who can come pick her up. Okay. Takeaway number 2 for this video. Not everything is gonna go according to plan. There's a cat. There she is. I came back out here, couldn't find her. So what happened was I went into the crib because this bitch was walking too damn slow. And I just decided to go get some dog food. Hopefully she can eat it. I don't know if she can. And just come back and try to feed her. And if I couldn't find her, then I couldn't find her. Also wanted to give her a bath. Can't do that because she's walking too damn slow. Try to pick her up. She doesn't want to be held. You got to be flexible in life. You got to be able to try something, have your shit planned out when the plan doesn't go according, because when does it ever, bro? It's God's plan. It's always God's plan. You gotta be flexible. God says, wait, do it this way. You gotta be open to say, I got you. So let's see if she can eat the dog food. I don't think she can. She already smelled it twice and she didn't eat that shit. What did kittens eat? Google.com, let's find out. I feel so bad walking away, like my dad did. But I went on Google, I looked it up to see what cats can eat, kittens. Damn, listen, she's screaming, bruh. Fuck. So I looked up on Google what cats can eat, kittens. They can eat scrambled eggs, apparently. Beef. Vegetables, like from salad vegetables. And like fruit, shit like that. And of course, cat food, but I don't have any cat food. So, what are we gonna get her? Some fruit, maybe? I got apples. I got bananas. What else do I got? I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna feed this fucking cat. Hopefully. No, not hopefully. You see that? You see how? Oh my God. Do you see how the negative thoughts can creep up into your head that easily, bro? How quickly the devil can take you away from your goals. Not fucking hopefully we're doing it. Why would we not? Huh? You run into an obstacle, you get excited, because that's when the fucking losers quit. And that's when the champions become victorious. So, we are determined to feed this cat. I will go back and forth and get 10,000 steps in today before I feed this cat if I have to. We're doing it. And the plot thickens. We have a newcomer on the scene. Not only are there one cat over there now, but there are two. What does this mean? I don't fucking know. The other cat's running away now. She's scared. My chihuahua's chasing her. I don't know if you can see. Kit! Kit! That bitch ran away. She was scared. She was scared of my chihuahua. All right. We got a handy dandy banana. We're gonna try to feed it to this cat. See what happens. Come on. Y'all come over here. Here. You dumb bitch, come here. She needs help, bro. She needs like a fucking vet. She's got a lot of shit going on. This cat's a retard. Hey, look, this is food. This is literal food. You must not be starving, you dusty bitch. All right, I'm gonna give her a couple chunks and then we out of here. Her and her friends can share. Cat, that's not for you. I mean, kid. I got a chihuahua named Kitty. Her name's Kitty. I got a kitty right here. I'm finna leave this dusty bitch though. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the people. That was her saying goodbye. All right, we gotta leave this girl like my dad did. So, moral of the story is this, man. Karma. Whatever energy you put out into the world, into the universe, is the energy you get back. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad. The universe doesn't see good and bad. The universe just sees energy, vibrations, frequencies. Whatever frequency you put out there, you get that shit back. So I want to put out the frequency. I feel so bad. Damn, this is reminding me of my childhood trauma. Whatever frequency you put out there is what you get back, my friend. So I want to give out the frequency of giving. Give. I just want to give. Let me get a thumbnail. I want to give out the frequency of giving. Just give, like every single day. I just want to be a giver. Because eventually I'll start to get shit back, but also eventually it'll just become my personality. It'll just become who I am. I'm just somebody who constantly gives. She won't give me a thumbnail. She don't want to give me a thumbnail. I gotta pick her up. I'm not gonna eat this banana, whatever. Oh, she's so sweet. That's it, man. If you feel like you don't have enough love in your life, give love. If you feel like you don't have enough abundance in your life, give away something. Give away your time. Give away some compliments. Go work at a shelter. Go work in a fucking, like a retirement home where these people are about to die, old people, right? Their grandkids don't even visit them anymore. Because, I mean, I'd say it's probably because of the economy. You're 24 years old. It's hard to make time to see your grandparents because the fucking economy sucks. You gotta work all day. You feel me? And then when you're off of work, you can't do shit because you're fucking exhausted. So if you can make time to do things like that, I promise you, from the bottom of my heart, I truly believe that the universe will bless you abundantly. With that being said, this is Antoine. I was gonna say trademark. This is Antoine Eccles II, signing off. Be blessed.